What's going on, recliners? Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. Today I am very excited to check out the 2025 film, Superman. Now, I wouldn't call myself a Snyder fanboy, but Henry Cavill as Superman was just the best, and I was really excited when they announced they were doing a Man of Steel 2, Cavill would reprise the role, and then a day or two later, they're like, oh yeah, no, he's fired, and we're rebooting the DC universe. Kinda sucked. I saw that David Cornsweet was cast as Superman, and he does have a good look for it. I'm excited to see how he does in the role. From the trailer I saw, he looks like he juggles Clark Kent and Superman pretty well. And then we also have James Gunn, who, over the years, the superhero movies and shows that he does, he generally kills it. So I'm excited to see what they're going to put together for this one. Now, that being said, I do also hope that the movie's not too crowded and they focus more on Superman than all the other supporting heroes that were announced in the trailer. Was kind of bummed about that. Like, you're starting off the DCU with Superman, and you're just going to be throwing in all these other heroes. I just hope it's not too crowded, and they give Superman the respect and screen time that he deserves. To avoid any sort of spoilers for the film, I avoided checking out any sort of reviews, and also I had a feeling that half would be Snyder fanboys saying this movie was trash, bring back Cavill, etc., etc. And the other half would be like, thank God Snyder's gone, this movie was amazing, over the top. And ultimately, I want to decide for myself. So, that's what we're going to do today. Before we do, as always, if you guys enjoy today's video, I'd appreciate it if you could leave it a like. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel as well. So yeah, let's check out the 2025 film, Superman. Three centuries. Alright, oh wait, he's not a metahuman, he's an alien. I like how he's also already established. Like, we've had so many Superman origins, we don't really need it again. Yeah, Callie likes to do that to me from time to time. Could only imagine a superpowered one after I just had my ass beat on top of that. Nice.
No need to thank us, sir, as we will not appreciate it. 14 fractured bones.
Damage to large intestine, lungs.
Yellow Sun will have him up and at him in no time.
Now, I know Superman is like the most powerful being out there, but I do also like the fact that he can get beat from time to time. Be kind of boring if he'd just go in and just stop everything, no problem, 1, 2, 3.
We feed the canine, but he is unruly. We are not flesh and blood and couldn't in our heart of heart whether he lives or dies.
Oh, ouch. Oh, nice shot. Oh, with the old school style logo.
Good luck, we're alive.
9. Inside Choco's, Larry, no fatalities.
1.
Lex.
What?
Yeah.
Freaking battle going on above. You don't gotta worry about your freaking food cart.
The target has led us to the ice castle. I don't know how in the hell this thing hasn't been spotted.
That's why.
Done what we need to do. Wrap it up.
Continue to feel the wrath of the hammer of Moravia.
Once I gave you free falafel.
Allie, you gotta get out of here. It's not safe.
Now it's our turn.
Respect.
Maybe you shouldn't have done that thing in Jarheim for Superman.
Sadly, in the real world, politics would definitely follow him around. Like, all he cares about is helping anyone and everyone. Is there actually someone in this, or just a robot?
Ultraman's back.
Ah, okay.
I'm so sorry.
Do these unelected metahumans turn national policy? It's outrageous.
You're late again, Kent. Sorry, Barry.
Mr. White.
I thought it was great, Clark.
Great?
Cat Grant?
Tell him don't be a stranger.
Don't be a stranger.
I heard him.
I'm surprised Pa's even still alive.
Yeah, I interviewed him right afterwards. Great guy.
It's funny that you keep getting all these interviews with Superman.
Funny about good journalism, Lois.
Relationship.
Does she know yet that he's Superman?
Less so every day, according to Chatter Online.
Not failing to contain.
I assure you, Secretary Week.
What's this kryptonite stuff called?
It's called.
It's called Kryptonite.
What are you doing here?
3 months ago, we had our first date to celebrate. I am making you breakfast.
Alright. So they're dating. Does she know he's Superman yet, though?
You giving me guff for my article? Jimmy was eating it up.
Eventually, people are going to figure it out.
That answers that.
You'd let me interview you as Superman.
Sure.
How about now?
Yep, you brought up work. You killed the mood, man.
Bravia invaded Jarheim. Told them that wasn't right.
And
No, kids.
Capital of Luchevik at the Royal Palace.
And
Took a private audience with Kirkos. Flew him out to the desert, and I...
So you kidnapped the president.
inserting yourself in the middle of
No,
an
no, no.
incredibly
Hold on a
heated
minute.
geopolitical
Jarhanpur has
against
changed.
a nation that's technically our ally and
Does not give another nation the...
freeing the Jarhanpurians from a tyrannical regime.
Yes, very silly.
I do.
The Baravian government is not
I
well-intentioned.
think that's almost certainly the... No, I don't. Can we go on now?
Yeah, fine.
Seems like he wasn't so prepared as he thought he was for this interview.
Placing one tyrannical regime with another.
Is that-
one being interviewed, Superman, but consider the consequences.
People were going to die!
There's definitely a point to be made for both arguments.
You've gotten a lot of heat on social media lately.
Superman doesn't have time for selfies.
Self, that's a thing you can
You
do?
got a lot of good stuff. Some stuff you can't use.
I am well aware.
What does that mean? Lois? What does that mean?
Nothing. I just wasn't good at relationships.
Only 3 months in and this heated with each other already?
The real Antarctica.
Dude, is this chick ever not taking a selfie?
Oh, wow.
I don't know 100% because I avoided spoilers, but is Ultraman Bizarro?
Oh my, I do apologize, but this is a restriction.
It would make sense the fortress would appear and open for him if it is Bizarro. Oh, what? Damn, he's not even blinking. Good boy.
Nothing's felt right since he showed up.
Sacrifice my own humanity to help get rid of it.
Can you get in?
What if the Kryptonian shows up?
Don't worry. Distraction.
I gotta say, so far I am liking him as Lex. Definitely a lot better than Jesse Eisenberg, but I don't think you can ever top Michael Rosenbaum, the Smallville version.
Let her out! An awfully small distraction.
It'll get bigger.
Oh, damn. Go, dog.
Everybody okay? Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.
I will say I'm liking the fact that he's trying to keep the danger away from the people, the buildings.
Careful!
Oh man, he's even saving the squirrels. Was he upset that he killed it, or that he had to prevent it from landing on people?
The universe for a home where you can do the most good.
That place is Earth.
I don't get it. What's bad about that?
Profoundly confused. Mind and spirit and body.
And that would be the bad part.
We'll live on in this new frontier.
Rule without mercy.
I definitely get how that would cause a panic. You have the super powerful alien that is told to rule the Earth, but at the same time, it's like, I'm sure a lot of people's parents want them to do a certain path, and you choose something different.
Kind of alien threat I was commandeered by the Green Lantern.
Back off, guy.
Make a move, Big Blue.
Yeah, you're not that powerful, man.
Are you considering bringing...
That's new.
We're talking with the president.
And
He's flying through some rain or snow. They never show that.
Moravia wants to save the people of Jarhanpur. Wants to keep them enslaved.
Is that the guy from the movie 2012? Was it 2012?
We did it, Lex!
draw you a donut from Doe's holes.
Fake message, stroke of genius.
It's not fake. At Superman's fortress, I hope to get the knowledge to help destroy him. I'm thinking of opening one in my half of Jarhanpur.
He's always after the real estate.
Four. What happened?
They made him screw himself.
How did Luthor get in here? It's keyed into my DNA.
Must protect Superman. I'm sorry, friend.
Crypto?
Maybe Mr. Terrific can fix him?
Crypto!
He is one of the smartest people in the DCU.
It's fine, Heather. Superman, we finally meet.
The hell are you gonna do, Heather, to stop Superman?
What you're talking about.
He's just a dog.
I don't know what dog you're talking about. Uncle Dog, okay?
What did you say?
That the only rabid animal around here is Superman. Discovery of the Kryptonians' master plan. Thoughts, Chris?
Can't say I'm surprised. Guys like this, they always get a whole bunch of darkness.
I mean, guys like...
Oh man, was not expecting Peacemaker.
It kind of sounds like you're trying to make the guys who are a little more edgy. A lot of these guys, heroes in the magazines or
What
stuff.
the hell is going on in the background?
And I believed I knew how it ended. Parents had sent me here to serve the people of Earth. I'm not here to rule over anybody's lives.
I never thought you were, even for a moment, Clark.
But regardless of what it said, your parents are back in Kansas. Those are the morals you were raised by.
I was just some punk rock kid from Bakerline, and you're Superman.
Punk rock. Not even a very good one, but he's out there alone, and he's probably scared. I love you, Lois.
Oh, damn. Is that necessary?
Is that necessary?
Metamorpho.
Your obsession with me is getting a little creepy.
Tall, dark, and Martian isn't my type. Them diff.
No, there is a diff.
The metahuman known as the Element Man, he can metamorphose into any known substance foreign to this planet, like
His workaround.
I have a connection at Boda Bank between Luthor Corp and Bravia. Sold them approximately $80 billion worth of arms, but
Damn.
still can't hide the taste of petroleum.
Mutant toes?
I can't even tell you how big.
I love you, Jimmy Olsen. I love you.
The true trolls of the internet.
more personal transgressions. Florette wrote a blog about me. More than petty ex-girlfriends.
Damn.
Hey, Eve.
Really?
Be some sort of connection between Bravia and your boyfriend.
I'm not clear on what's wrong.
I thought you wanted to see me, Jimmy.
Eve, how could I even really see you with like still in the picture? I swear to God, that's not it. I just know maybe the two of us
Could be together again?
Go with that angle, Jimmy.
Please see what you can find out. Yes. I'm putting them in my pocket.
I said don't talk to me! Don't talk to me!
Oh, nice.
What's it called again?
Justice Gang.
No.
Your name is Mr. Terrific. You don't get a vote with a name like that. So that you know who he is.
Yes, I know this. Second of all, you really shouldn't be telling me this in case I who he is.
So you know he's Clark Kent. Friend came here to rule over me.
It would be difficult to find. Put nanobot GPS trackers into Superman's bloodstream. See where his trail ends.
How the hell did you do that?
Gonna let your friend rot in the pocket universe. That haircut should be against your vows.
I'll have you know, 348 chicks say otherwise.
It's oddly specific.
Check out what's going on with your boyfriend at the Sport Cream.
He's not. We're just seeing each other. Thanks. You want me to drive?
He flies. Couldn't get a faster door?
Flying saucer, but you couldn't get a faster garage door? Each other for a
lady,
couple of
just to
months.
be clear, I'm not into people's emotions.
Yeah, I'm just thinking out loud. I was gonna break
I've
up with
always been a fan of Mr. Terrific. I just hate his mask. Oof.
I have no family or nothing.
Luther, don't do this.
It was a great honor, Superman. No.
Got lucky on that one.
Please.
Let's try another question, shall we, Superman?
No. Don't tell him nothing.
Oh, damn.
I'll be back later with someone else you've chatted with, and I'll kill them too. Maybe I'll kill Clark Kent next.
Good luck finding him.
Back to your vehicle. Get out of here. Whoa, what do we got here? Hey!
Oh, sick.
DNA trail leads to that tent. Isn't that one of those justice guys?
It's just a smart one.
Hey!
Don't underestimate the smart one.
I'm just kidding back with you and different me all over my tree, but in my mind I'm having
The T-spheres are so sick.
When creating a pocket universe, if you are just picometer off, you will have a black hole where Earth, every time you enter or exit, you
Never heard of that term. Picometer?
type of reckless science Lex Luthor.
I'm also a dumbass.
Just killed that poor guy.
His name's...
And I didn't do anything. You said you can get to my son, right?
Better change into part of the sun. Help him heal.
Whoa, an anti-proton river.
Hell?
Repel? Where am I going to get the gear to repel into a pocket universe? This place is filthy with black hole vortexes that we cannot go in ourselves.
I can't make a sun.
I know.
I can only make something kind of like a sun. Here we got hydrogen and deuterium. Now we got helium.
Hey, no, stop! You're gonna get all of us in trouble!
Stop that!
He's doing something in here! Doing something! No, you are not going to take part in this.
Narcs?
You have to take him. I can't carry him when I change forms.
Oh, yeah, you still gotta get... Well, crypto.
Whoa, no, crypto!
What are you gonna do? Splash us?
Acid?
Do you have him?
Hot damn. This is a flying dog.
Come on!
He just sees a floating tennis ball to chase.
Rex!
Visually, that was pretty badass.
Dog, I really need you to intuitive.
Pick that up! Get out of here, you idiot! Go! Move!
Damn.
We need to find him.
Oh, I'm so done, Jimmy. You need to ruin Lex forever.
What?
Oh, I have it over here. There he go.
Oh. Should have went somewhere a little bit more secure.
But if I send you this, Jimmy, promise me we get to hang this weekend, just the two of us.
Do it, man.
Tell you don't really think so.
You know what? Maybe her taking the selfies wasn't so terrible. I'm sure there's going to be something in the background that's going to implicate Lex in something.
I'm not really sure that sexy selfies are.
Luthoria.
Can't find him, we'll need to draw him out. Something you think I don't know? Oh, you don't say. Stop it!
Oh, damn. What a good boy.
Last week, me, Mom, Hector, and them, we took a drive down in West. Be out by that old blue barn out on that island. Burritos, still just as good. That Luann, she seems right. Lois.
Luann.
Oh, mush. Clark, there's something on the box you might want to see.
It's actually refreshing seeing Jonathan Kent alive during Clark's adulthood.
Without Superman here to stop it this time, don't have much hope.
I cleaned your boots. I'll go get them for you.
There won't be a Baravia, or a Metropolis, or a planet Earth. This rift is about to tear into the city.
Oh, wow.
Juanita, can you put Persephone on the phone? Can't know the sound of your voice!
So I was able to.
Oh, my God.
Good to ruin Superman's reputation. And all the bots stirring up anti-Superman sentiment online.
I mean, she was taking selfies every second, so I'm sure there's a lot of incriminating stuff.
About to hit Metropolis, and my codes are not shutting it down.
Oh, what is he supposed to do against this, though? Oh, what? Oh, what a great shot. Freaking ragdolling her. Superman as Venom?
What's his key?
Doesn't matter if he gets him off his face, still in his lungs.
Engineer Ultraman, keep up.
Contain LOS.
Yes, no shit, Larry.
Hurry!
I'm gonna say, I know it's not gonna work, but pretty inventive new way to try and kill Superman. Use the heat from re-entry to burn him up.
Entering the hull. Infrared, please. Switch to night vision.
Whoa.
Pretty gross.
Her heart's still beating, but she's unconscious.
All in the Raptors.
Oh, the mask's starting to come off.
My brain will always win! Wrong!
Ah.
Sorry, kid. Superman couldn't make it, so you got an upgrade.
That's it. The middle finger.
Oh, you won't kill me like Superman.
Is she, though? Oh, Nice cut.
He wasn't some dopey Venusian. Just to have the world fawn over him illuminates how weak.
Ow.
1A! 1A! 1A!
I actually forgot this whole rift thing was still happening.
No! You watch him through those, tell him what to do. Crypto, get the toy.
It's like my pleasure. Ooh.
This ain't playtime. Quit messing around. They get the loot that'll stop the rift.
There weren't people in the city? Highly doubt the entire city got evacuated.
But that is being human. And that's my greatest strength. And someday, for the sake of the world.
But none of this matters, you patronizing clown. Not today, then.
No. Yeah. No, drop him.
Good boy.
It seems like the one thing conservatives and liberals is that Lex Luthor sucks.
Of course, he's got to be in his brother's movie.
That's a cool name.
You're in.
Of course.
Get his bald ass to Bell Reed.
Now we can be together forever.
She is literally, literally a clinger.
How long have they been hooking up?
About 3 months, I think.
Got this place cleaned up pretty good. Cleaned yourself up pretty good, too.
You think so?
Yeah, I think it gives you character.
Maybe one day you'll give me a name.
Four's a name.
So is Gary. Sir, I think your cousin has returned.
Oh, Kara.
'Cause I'm a punk rocker, yes I am. 'Cause I'm a...
A little off.
What do you want me to do? Do you want me to take it apart and back together?
No. It was just...
You just what?
Hey, man, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bum you out. I shouldn't have brought it up. Darn it, I can be such a jerk sometimes.
All right, guys. So, finally just finished watching Superman, and I enjoyed it more than I thought I would. The visuals are really good. The action scenes were great. The acting, the story, the plot, all good. So, I definitely like the fact that they explored, like, the political aspect of what Superman does. For the most part, you always just think of Superman as the one that gives you hope out there saving the day, regardless of what happens. However, yeah, there could be some political backlash for some of the things he does. He's based out of America, seen as an American, even though he's an alien, and for him to go to, other countries and interject himself in another country's war, yeah, there'd probably be some issues raised. So I like the fact that they explored that aspect of it. The only other time I recall seeing that in a live action Superman is Superman and Lois, the TV show. Yeah, in one episode he saves a nuclear sub that's North Korean and gives it back to him. And yeah, he's not about choosing sides. He just saves people. Hell, even squirrels. I love the fact that in this big kaiju fight, he's worried about saving a little squirrel's life. He does it all. I am a little disappointed, though. We really only got him as Clark Kent for one brief little scene in the Daily Planet. Other than that, he was Superman the entire time, which, I mean, it's cool and all, but I like to see the duality between the two. And when he was briefly Clark, he was nailing it. Just a shame we didn't get more of him as Clark. Now, while Nick Holt was a good Lex, still doesn't top my favorite one from Smallville, but he did a really good job in this as well. Like, he was definitely able to play the angry genius that hates Superman and just always out looking for his real estate. So yeah, I actually enjoyed him as Lex. Lois was good. Perry, good but brief. We didn't really see him too much. I really enjoyed Jimmy's character. Freaking him and Eve. Oh, good luck, man. You have got yourself a serious clinger there. All the characters, really. Just Mr. Terrific. He got a lot more screen time than I thought. I was kind of worried, with all the characters we saw in the trailers, that okay, this might be like too packed of a movie, but James Gunn, he knows how to balance characters out. You look at Guardians, there's so many characters in that, and did a great job with those films. Still, even though I didn't want them to overshadow Superman, I kind of wish we got more Guy Gardner in this. The scenes with him flipping the tanks while flipping them off, that was great. Hawkgirl, she was good also. Metamorpho was a little weird. Just, I don't know, something about him, the voice didn't really suit it like I thought it would, but Crypto, out of everyone, was actually the one to steal the show for me. He, could you imagine you have a super hyperactive dog that can not only fly, but is super strong and fast as well? It'd be a freaking nightmare. But at the end of the day, still a good boy. Now, I was able to avoid spoilers going into this, thankfully. But I just remember seeing the trailers and Ultraman, and I was just thinking to myself, this has got to be Bizarro. And once Lex was able to produce the fortress and get in when it's only coded to Superman's DNA, meanwhile, you got Ultraman standing right next to you. It's like, all right, yeah, no, that's definitely Bizarro. I hope we get him back at some point, but yeah, he left in a black hole, so we'll see what happens with that. Also, another interesting twist that they did, we got Jonathan Kent still alive. Normally, he's long dead by now in this part of Superman's adulthood, so it was nice seeing that change of pace and him able to give his son the pep talk he needed to get back out there. Now, that being said, the only issue I really had with this movie was the whole message from his biological parents. He hears that, oh, he's sent to rule the planet, and it's like, had he gotten that message as a teenager, it would have been more believable, upsetting him, thinking like, oh my god, what do I do? Like, my parents sent me here to rule over Earth and kill and dominate, whatever. Like, bro, you're an adult. You've been Superman for 3 years now. They're not mind controlling you or anything. That was the vision they had for you when they sent you there as a child. And who says you have to live up to that expectation? So, I don't know. We also got to see a drunk Kara at the end there. A little feisty. Definitely pumped to see her movie coming out in like another year or two. Gonna have Jason Momoa as Lobo, so that's cool. So yeah, overall, I definitely enjoyed this one. Would I say it's better than Man of Steel? Honestly, I don't know yet. I'll probably need to watch it another time, just kind of focus in, see things I may have missed, give it another shot. But I definitely enjoyed it, and is there really a sense in even comparing the two at this point? Because Henry Cavill's gone, that universe is dead, and this is the future of Superman. Cornsweat, he did a good job. He looked great as him. He may not be as, bulky as Cavill is, but he played the part well, and his vocabulary was definitely a lot more Superman than Cavill was. So yeah, I'd be curious to hear what your guys' thoughts were on this. Did you love this movie? Did you hate it? Or did you find it kind of mid? Let me know in the comments down below. But for today's video, guys, that's going to do it. If you guys enjoyed it, as always, I'd appreciate it if you could leave it a like. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel as well. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, I'll see you guys soon.